Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to MEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Booking. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some student or friend or even family member. Alright, so today we have a problem on the board that says solve P over 2 plus what K over 3 is equals to 5 and 2P minus K is equals to 6 simultaneous. So this is a problem on simultaneous equation, if you can observe. Now you can see that we have equation 1 and we have this as equation 2, all right? But if you look at the form of equation 1, okay, it is in fractional form, so we want to keep it in a linear form, all right? We want to remove the fraction, so let's do that quickly. So I have P over 2 plus what? K over 3 is equals to what? 5 over 1. All right, so the thing you want to do is you want to find the LCM of 2, 3, and 1. 2, 3, and 1. Okay, if we do that quickly, 2, 3, 1. So 2 into this is 1. We have 3, 1. 3 into this we have is 1, 1, 1. So the LCM is what? 2 times what? 3, which is what? 6. So the LCM of 2, 3, 1 is what? Is 6. Now I want to multiply the whole of this expression by the LCM, which is 6. So 6 is going to multiply P over what? 2, plus 6 is going to multiply what? K over what? 3, and 6 is going to multiply what? 5 over 1. Okay, so let's see what that gives us. So when we do that, we can be able to express the first what? Equation in this what form. So let's multiply and see what it gives us right away. Now, something can cancel here. 2 can go into itself as 1. 2 into 6 is 3. So 3 times P is going to give us 3P. Okay, plus, okay, 3 into itself is 1. 3 into this is 2. 2 times K is going to give us 2K, which is equals to 6 times 5 is going to give us what? 30. Alright, so our equation 2 is what? 2P minus K is equals to what? 6. Okay, so now that we have gotten our equations in this form, we can now use any of the methods to solve what? The simultaneous equation. So what method should we use to solve this simultaneous what equation? All right, we can use, okay, let's use a substitution method. All right. Now from equation 2, okay, let's make a P or K subject, but I'll prefer to make what? K subject. Reason because K has a coefficient of 1, alright? So all we need to do is, since I have 2P minus K is equals to 6, okay? For me to remove K, I'm going to add K here. I'm also going to add K here, okay? So this is what? 2P minus K plus K is going to give us 0, which is equals to what? Okay, this we can write as K plus 1, 6, okay? So 2P plus 0 is still going to give us 2P, which is equals to what? K plus what? 6, all right? Now, how do we make K subject there, all right? So all we need to do is, okay, we are simply going to what? Remove what? 6 from both sides. So I'm going to have 2P, okay, minus 6 here. So we have minus 6 here. And we'll also have what? K plus 6 minus 6. Okay, so that will give us, this side becomes what? K plus what? 0, and this is 2P minus 6. So K plus 0 is going to give us K, and we have 2P minus 6. So this gives us, another what? Equation. Okay, so let's call this what? Equation what? 3. So equation 3, we have it that what? K is equals to 2P minus 6. Let me write it there. So we have K is equals to 2P minus what? 6. Okay. So now we are going to substitute the value of K, okay, we are going to substitute. Now from equation 2, okay, we have that k is equal to 2p minus 6. We are going to substitute. That is why it is called substitution method into equation 1. Okay, since we make k subject here, we are going to substitute into equation 1. So we have 3p plus, now instead of 2k, we are going to write 2 multiplied by what? Our k here, which is 2p minus 6, is equals to what? We have is equals to what? 30. Okay, so we are going to open the brackets. So we are going to get 3p plus 2 times 2p is going to give us 4p, and plus 2 times minus 6, plus times minus is minus, 2 times 6 is 12. It's going to give us what? 30. All right. So from that, we can now be able to solve for what? P. Okay. So we have 3p plus what? 4p, which is going to give us what? 7p. Okay, minus what? 12 is equals to what? 30. Okay, I want to simply what? Add 12 here and also add 12 here. Let's see what that gives us. So we are going to get, from the left hand side, we have 7p, okay, minus 12 plus 12 is 0, is equals 30 plus 12 is going to give us 42. So 7p plus 0 is 7p, which is equals to 42. Now from this, we can divide both sides by 7. Okay, so these will cancel out. This is 1, 1. So we are left with what? Our p, which is equals to 7 into 42, means 6. So the value of p is 6. Now with that, we can now find the value of what? K. Okay, so we'll just substitute, the value of p into what? Equation 3. So remember, k was equal to 2p minus 6, which was our equation what? 3. So let's substitute this here. So I have k is equal to 2 multiplied by 6 minus 6. So our k is 6 times 2 is 12 minus 6. Our value of k is 6. So simultaneously, the value of k, okay, k is 6 and the value of p is 6. You can still do well to substitute it into the equations to see if we are correct. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share the video for this channel. I'll see you guys in my next one.